Hi, it's Azlan and it's 10 minutes to 5, 16:50 hours on Thursday 26th of November 2020, and I'm about to have a 4-fruit salad, which is this. And let me tell you what I have there. I have some watermelon, some pineapple, one Pisang Berangan, and what's the last one? Papaya, 2 slices of papaya. I've squeezed the juice of 2 key lime as usual, 1 scoop of chia seeds, 1 scoop of rye flakes mixed with wheat bran, and 1 scoop of brown flax seeds. And I've also sprinkled loads of chaat masala in it. So I'm gonna give it a stir and have it for my afternoon tea. I might make a dish later before it gets dark for dinner. So I look forward to sharing that video with you. In the meantime, bye!